Hey there, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable push notifications in the Temu app on your Android phone. This is perfect if you're tired of constant alerts and want a quieter experience. Follow along step by step, and let's turn those notifications off. First, open the Temu app on your Android phone. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap the profile icon. Then, once your profile page opens, click the settings icon in the top right. After that, select Permissions from the Settings menu. Now, tap Go to Settings. This will open your phone's system settings. Next, tap Manage Notifications. Finally, toggle off the switch labeled Allow Notifications to completely disable push notifications from the Temu app. That's all for this quick tutorial. Turning off Temu notifications is simple and can help you stay focused. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful videos.